When assembling multiple layers of ACO StormBrixx, the layers are aligned and secured by means of 2 layer connectors clicked together. For this video representation, we have used more layer connectors than typically recommended to highlight the fitting of the connectors to the half modules. The layer connectors must each be mounted in the top of the module and positioned into the molded socket next to the column on the edge of the module. This illustration shows the recommended position and quantity of connectors used on a typical installation. Layer connectors are used if 2 or more layers of ACO StormBrixx are installed. 2 individual layer connectors are pushed together to form one and are inserted between the individual layers as positional fixing. This helps achieve precise alignment of the columns within several layers. No layer connectors are required if only one layer of StormBrixx is installed.